Okay, right on 7 hours in the saddle here today, and we have just made it to the Kankamegus Pass, elevation 2855. We still have some higher peaks around, but apparently we're not going to go up and over them. If we look behind us here, I don't know if you can read that, it says we have just come up a 9% grade for the last 3.5 miles, plus quite a bit of very leisurely climbing leading up to that. I have to pardon the shaky camera. There are some pretty fierce biting flies up here right now, and they've decided that my sweaty legs are a very tasty treat. So I'm going to keep swatting at them while I collect myself here. That was quite a climb. Quite a climb. Nice hot sun, good enough pavement. I like the path the road took. That 9% is just enough. Whew. So, it is 24 miles to Conley, which is the next town, and I guess I would expect that we don't go all the way down right now and that we make another pass. So I'm expecting another good climb before this day's up. But yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one indeed. There's an overlook point back about 100 yards. I think maybe I'll go see what I can get for a still shot. Whew. Well, 7.5 hours in, and I just came flying down the mountain. And got down here near the bottom, probably gave up, I would guess, let's see, what did it say, 7% for 4 miles, so that's like 1,400 feet. I got down to the bottom here and it leveled off quite a bit, and I noticed that it was hard work going downhill. Everything was hard work. So, it's time for a little Coca-Cola and get some blood sugar back up. It's about 15 more miles or so into, maybe 15 more miles. It's around 15 miles into Conway, where I'll get even more sugar, and then just 9 miles into our stopping point. So, it's been a beautiful day for a ride, and that climb used up all my energy, but I'll get more. I was looking at those clouds earlier. Those are nice. Nice big white puffy ones. Not a drop of rain to be had, and they're putting a little shade on us from time to time. It is a warm one today, so that's appreciated. Anyway, at the top of the hill, I think the elevation was 2,800. We talked about the watersheds and how this side of the divide, or this side of that pass, the water does flow out through Maine into the Atlantic, so for the most part I'm going downhill from here. Feels pretty good. Pretty good. But I think the right thing to do right now is to get myself back on the bike and get moving. Enough of this standing around stuff. And it's all downhill from here. For today, anyway. There'll be some ups and downs heading for the ocean, but this is just closing in on the end of the day, cruising out of the White Mountain National Forest. It is downhill along the Swift River. Conway should be ahead of us in maybe 15 minutes or so. It was just a gorgeous bike ride.